Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern, trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Step into a world of contemporary elegance with our latest video on modern main gate design ideas. Your home entrance sets the tone for what lies beyond, and in this video we are showcasing cutting-edge designs that will elevate your curb appeal to new heights. From sleek and minimalistic gates to bold and artistic designs, we have curated a collection that blends style, security and functionality seamlessly. Whether you are aiming for a sophisticated urban look or a rustic charm, these modern main gate ideas will inspire you to make a grand entrance every time. Join us as we explore the latest trends in home exterior design and discover how to make a statement with your main gate. Cutting edge with gate designs often incorporate innovative materials, technologies, and architectural elements to create visually striking and functional entrances. Here are some examples of cutting-edge main gate designs. Number 1. Utilizing sleek metal materials such as stainless steel or aluminium, minimalistic gates features clean lines and geometric shapes for a contemporary look. These gates often incorporate automated opening systems for cohesive and security. Number 2. Combining glass panels with steel frames and creates a modern and sophisticated aesthetics. Glass elements can be attached or frosted for privacy while still allowing light to pass through, adding visual interest to the gate design. Number 3. Integrating smart technologies such as biometric scanners, keyless entry systems, or remote control mechanism enhances security and convenience. These gates can be operated remotely via smartphone apps or voice commands, offering a seamless and futuristic user experience. Number 4. Artistic main gate features unique sculptural elements, integrate patterns, or custom design that serve as focal points for the entrance. These gates showcase creativity and craftsmanship, adding personality and character to the property. Number 5. Incorporating living elements such as vertical gardens or heavy curated archways into gate designs creates a harmonious blend of nature and architectural. Green gate provide visual interest, improve air quality, and contribute to a sustainable landscape practices. Number 6. Foldable or retractable gates offer space-saving solutions for properties with limited driveway. These gates can be folded or retracted horizontally or vertically, allowing for easy access while maintaining security when closed. Number 7. Utilizing LED lighting strips or embedded lighting fixtures. Main gate can be illuminated with customized lighting effects to enhance their visual appeal during night time. Programmable lighting systems can create dynamic color changing effects or highlight specific design elements of the gate. Number 8 and the last one is main gates can be equipped with advanced security features such as cameras, motion sensors, or intercom systems for enhanced safety and monitoring. These integrated security features provide peace of mind while maintaining the gate's aesthetic appeal. By incorporating these cutting-edge design elements, main gate can become more than just functional barriers. They can become architectural statements that reflect the style and sophistication of the property and its owner. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.